Hello, this is Dr. Yamashiro. I'm trying for the very first time to give a video introduction of myself as well as a written one. So I really am glad to have you in Art 183. It is fast-paced, but it's really interesting. So unlike most art history classes, it is planned sequentially, and I intended to be a curator, so I sort of think by theme anyhow. And so this really fits in well with my interests and my patterns of thought. So I hope that you enjoy this course. Most students say that they learned more than they expected to, and they also worked harder than they expected to. I want you to have a great experience. Don't hesitate to contact me through email if you have questions. If you want to set up a conference call or a video call, we can certainly do that. I do swirl. I'm on Middletown and Hamilton campuses. So right now I'm at home and I'm in my office. I have one of my walls of books behind me. It goes up. So when I tell you in my introduction that I really do, reading is my favorite thing to do, it really is. And my computer is sitting on a stack of books. All right, so welcome to the class, and I look forward to meeting all of you soon.